Okay, it is now almost 6 o'clock p.m. It's September 10th, 2017, and Hurricane Irma is right underneath us. The worst of her should be here about midnight, and this is what we're getting right now. The eye is supposed to pass almost directly over us. We're in Clearwater right now, eastern Clearwater, so not far from the bay, maybe about 4 miles or so. And it's not looking too bad. It definitely looks windy, that's for sure. Anyway, it's gonna get dark soon. In the next 2 hours it's gonna be all the way dark, and that's when the eye is gonna pass by us. So I think we can handle it. It's only gonna get worse until 2 a.m. The worst part's going to last from like midnight till 4-ish. And then the tropical storm force winds are gonna last until around noon tomorrow. So that's where we're at. Drone flies over Bay Shore. Yeah, look at the people. No, look at the people. That's on the bay.
Those are people there.
Isn't that wild?
In the bay. Laura Harris had a story earlier today.
There's no water in the bay.
Was caught. Laura, that wasn't in the bay itself.
Empty.
Was it?
Look how far off it goes.
Sarasota Bay is where it was, and I just got an update on that actually.
That is all empty.
Sheriff's deputies were in there.
It's just wild. I'm sure it's really muddy though. It's probably hard to walk.
And this is, I mean, somebody didn't survive. Doesn't it look like something out of the Ten Commandments? But I mean, the people are just
so
walking.
crazy.
I mean, it's that storm, even though it's on the outskirts of it, clearly it's big enough.
Wow. Look at that wind gust.
Look at this. Stay off the roads until authorities say it's safe. Minor injuries when this car flipped on Gulf today.
Jeez. That's why I got stay off.
They're telling you to stay off for a reason.
How strong the winds are right now. Well, you gotta look at this wind. That was probably at least 50 miles an hour.
Oh, they're in. Because this apartment right here, you can see the balcony.
There it goes, see.
That branch is going to snap off. They took all they had a bunch of porch furniture, so they brought it all in. They got 600 cars before they got into. This was our radar. We eventually originally goes out into the Gulf. But because all of that water has been pushed out, the wind that falls.
It's blowing from the north. Man, yeah, it's getting gusty. There's Oreo. Sewer kitty. Holy cow.
Here's the water actually goes through the ground that's going on right now. First of all, we noticed it early this afternoon when it had more of a northerly flow. It was really more at 9.
Crazy rain flying off the roof.
I know, that's what I was trying to get a picture of.
Yeah, you can see that. I don't know if the GoPro sees it, but those trees over there are whipping around. You can hear it. Uh-oh. Power blank again. Oh, did you see that?
No.
Did you hear that bang?
Yeah, I heard it.
That's a power line that I think that was. Look at that. Look at that.
Here. Rainbow toaster again. Rainbow toaster again.
No, hold on.
Something on the big TV.
Rainbow toaster again. TV, we can just search in rainbow toaster. Just in case, look.
Wow.
You can hear it hit the door.
Yeah.
You lied to me. I thought you were going to route me back.
Dang, girl, you're a good growler.
Look at that. Holy cow. That is awesome. It's amazing. Whoa. Look how fast that is. Jeez. No, you got it. Can't stand it. Whoa. Holy cow. Go away. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. Wow. Yeah, at least we have that orange. Oh no. Yeah, I might have to give up on. Oh, whoa! I got that one on camera. Holy cow, that was a strong wind. Yeah, another power line blew. Transformers. I don't know if you saw that or not. It was a really bright. You smell the ocean? Yeah, definitely smells like salt water right now. Oh yeah. Yeah, it smells like we're on the beach right now. It's so wild. Yeah, it smells like the ocean right now. Look at those trees. Holy cow. Whoa. What? Over here. It's just occasionally it gets really strong. Alright, well, I'll turn it back on in a few.
Also, if you turn the light off,
Okay.
you'll see them better.
Yeah. So we lost power now. I mean, the GoPro's not very good at picking up nighttime stuff, but there's a blinking happening right here. And then occasionally there's this like indigo color happening. And yeah, so we lost power. Yeah, there you go. That probably got picked up on the camera. But
I want to see this.
yeah, it's really windy still.
Can I unpause this?
There's no power anymore. But if you can still see the sky, so like there's still a lot of power, like because you know
Right,
there's still a lot of illumination happening.
There,
Yeah. And I would look outside, but it's not going to do any good because it's dark. Yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, you can see like bright flash. Not off the other direction. It's still coming from up this way. But there was some bright flashes happening. But I mean, I don't know. At this point, we're in the worst of it right now. Like we're still sealed up. Things still seem okay. So I mean, we don't really. I don't think we really need to be following constantly what's going on. I think we
No.
could probably just power off and just ride it
Yeah,
out.
I
And
just putting on that we've lost power, so we'll be back on.
yeah. Of course we lost power. Freaking figures. I had a feeling we were going to. All right. Well, the gazebo's trashed.
Yeah.
And that got messed up. I knew it would, but we didn't have time to anchor it.
Well, I mean, it
And-
stayed in the yard. That's what we were worried about.
Well, okay, we're without power, so. But the inside, totally fine, totally normal. It would be kind of nice to stay here because we have a lot of windows, but we don't have anything here. We'd have to make multiple trips to come back in, and we got all this stuff we have to still set up. More or less, I mean, everything looks fine. Got some sticks in the yard. These trees over here look fine. See, I thought all those trees would be down. I thought that over at Andy and Ann's house, I thought their house would be screwed. I thought that house over there would be screwed with the tree growing out through the middle of the house. I thought that big tree would be screwed. I mean, Cat 3, it all would have been screwed for sure. 120 mile an hour winds. Yeah, without a doubt. It would have been pretty devastating for sure. With all these massive trees and sandy soil. Yeah, that would have been ugly.
Go. Go, go.
It is.
You're right.
Uh-oh.
Well, that's not good.
I hope there's not a fire. Everybody's looking. That's Safety Harbor fire truck, though.
This type thing. It was just because
Mhm.
the ambulances couldn't get out to go get to them.
All right. Yeah,
Because of the
that's.
storm, so they were having a heart attack and they couldn't get to them, so they.
Yeah, that's just a bad luck, ill fate.
How does a utility truck with blinky lights? Tree
Might be out.
service, no.
Oh, tree.
I'm still parking over here. It's still windy.
Yeah. Come out here, though.
Honey, they're cooped up in the house with no electricity, just like you. They just want to get out and walk around. Hurting anything.